We spend a lot of money for creating beautiful websites. In addition to that, we spend again a lot of money to get traffic to our websites. Why we are spending this much money? Because we want people to come to our website and go through it and purchase our products or sales. Then is it happening? Are you getting the right conversions and sales from your website? And if it is not happening, then what is happening? Do you want to spy on your visitors? Do you want to see what your visitors are doing on your website, where they are clicking, where they are getting engaged, and even from where they are coming into your website, what device they are using, what browser they are using? There is an amazing product called Microsoft Clarity. It is a free software, and with Clarity you can do mainly three things. Number one, you will get to see from where the traffic is coming in and which device they are using and what browser they are using. Number two is you can see the live recording of how your customer is getting engaged on your website. Means on which content they are getting engaged, where they are clicking, how they are moving their mouse. You will get a live recording of that. And the third thing is heat map. Now, heat map is an overview of the total engagement which is happening in your website. Means it will show you the hot areas where the customers are getting engaged more and the cold areas where nobody is getting engaged. So by using a product like Clarity, you will come to know the investment which you have put to build that beautiful website and the amount you are spending to get that traffic to your website is worth or not. So start using Clarity from today, and again I'll repeat, this is free forever product from Microsoft. So wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.